Channels which customers can interact with your financial institution to complete their operations have increased a great deal. Physical means such as credit, debit cards, ATMs, POS devices, and digital channels such as internet, online banking applications, or smartphones are widely used. However, there is a downside. Now there are more channels for fraudsters too. So, what do you need for protection? A single platform that provides practical decision support for any payment acceptance and helps achieve accurate and consistent fraud checking across all channels. The decision rule inside Cardtek Fraud Detection and Prevention Solution works with a scenario management module which designates certain scores to transactions. It also gives users the opportunity to analyze the transaction afterwards or on the fly. The solution lets you group transactions according to your business needs and sends them to related fraud operator personnel. The solution also informs the cardholders via SMS or IVN. Cardtek Fraud Detection and Prevention Solution can be integrated to any business thanks to its flexible architecture. The 3 modules in the solution are integrated to points where the customers interact with you. Based on the evaluation processed in these modules, that is, based on the decision rule manager, necessary actions are taken. Finally, the solution has its own reporting function. Visual and user-friendly gadgets let you organize your own selected and customized dashboards. These gadgets include graphical representations of fraud statistics, maps of an entire region, city, or country where the users can select and click to distinguish between these statistics based on geographical locations. The rule decision engine behind all this business is constantly updated with the know-how of Cardtek, which manages millions of transactions all around the world, so that they are consistent with the latest fraud trends. On top of everything, you see what would happen if you really had adopted a scenario in the production environment. For this, you just use the simulation tool by defining a scenario into the scenario inventory without implementing the production environment. Afterwards, a set of past transactions is chosen, and these transactions are run against the simulation scenario. Therefore, you get to test the scenario with real retrospective data. The system enables you to measure the performance of the operators. Number of reports about the recent fraud trends in the world that the operators publish. Comparisons between the decision period and the number of analyzed transactions. Finally, an unusual transaction for one cardholder may be a normal trend for another, and Cardtek Fraud Detection and Prevention Solution helps you distinguish accurately between these. It will establish a strong fidelity between you and your customer. It will mitigate fraud, reduce operational costs, and increase your company's reputation.